Okay guys, welcome to the video. So today I want to talk to you about probably the most dangerous punch in boxing with regards to body shots, which is the left hook to the body. If you're from the orthodox position, that's the left hook. It lands on your opponent's right side. And if it lands on the right spot where the liver is situated, you're going to be in serious trouble. Like I said guys, the liver is situated here on the right side. This is your pectoral muscle, and right underneath that muscle is where your liver is situated. Now the ribs do offer some protection, but not a lot. Okay, so it's a very dangerous punch. Now Triple G, as you know, is a well-known boxer. He's very good. He's got a high knockout. He's got the highest knockout percentage in the history of middleweight boxing. Okay, he knocks his opponents out with body shots as well as head shots. Now the way Triple G hits the body shot, I must be honest, I haven't seen that one before. We're going to go through that. I'm going to show you how he hits it and why it's so effective, and then I'm going to show you the other way of that you can hit the left hook to the body. Okay, first of all, Triple G, he doesn't just come and he rushes in with left hook like say someone like Roy Jones. He could do it from all angles. He can be there and all of a sudden, boom, he can come with the left hook. Triple G sets it up with different combinations, and all of a sudden, boom, he goes there. Boom, but he goes there, and as he hits, it's like his palm is facing downwards. He's hitting a left hook there, and he turns his body to put that power in. So he drives that punch from a lateral side inwards with his wrist, his palm facing down. Boom, boom, boom. He goes, and then he drives it in. It's effective for him, guys. He does it so well, you know, he's used to it. I wouldn't recommend you do it if you're not used to it. Rather get used to throwing the body shots and getting some success with it, because it's a very risky punch. Because you can, when you land a body punch, when you go through a body punch, you can also get hit yourself, and I'll show you a little example now. So guys that want to go for a left hook to the body, and they aim for that body, and then as they lean forward and they leave themselves open just a little bit, just maybe a centimeter or two, and the opponent lands with his own left hook. And I've seen boxers get knocked down and get knocked out. So it's a very risky punch to throw, guys. Okay, now that's Triple G's way. He throws it like that. Boom, there, boom. His whole shoulder is behind it, his hips. So he's got that power. He drives into the liver, and opponents drop like a bag of potatoes. So it works for him. Okay, so try that one out. See how it works for you. Okay. Now this is the way I'd like to show you the body shot. How I've been taught, and I think many boxers all over the world have been taught this way. Okay. First of all, as you lay in front of your opponent, you want to lean forward with that shoulder. Push your right shoulder forward. Keep your right hand up. Protect that jaw at all times. And there. And drive it up 45 degrees. Boom. So you're going to hit it at a 45-degree angle. Where you see your palm is facing towards you. Okay guys. If you hit it like this, you could injure your wrist. Okay. So my suggestion is there, palm forward, drive it up. And as you drive it, push that knee in. Boom. Get that power, push your knee in. Nice, lands on the liver shot. And hopefully you'll have some success and your opponent will drop. It's a very effective punch, guys. It's probably the most dangerous body punch in boxing. I mean, you know, as a boxer, many boxers, myself included, you can hit me this side on my left side all night long. I don't care. You can hit me, it's fine, you know. But as soon as you go to this side, it's different, you know. It's not the same, you know. Not all boxers can take it. Like I said, this side, I've seen boxers get knocked out from their left side. I'm not, you know, maybe they didn't train properly, but from my own perspective, my own experience, you can hit me there all night long. I don't care. I don't feel much pain. But this side, very, very sensitive. So guys, so work on that left hook to the body. You can do it this way, like I show you the correct way. Boom, drive it up, screw it up. Okay. Or you can do it Triple G's way, which is also effective. It works for him. Hey, boom, 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 boom. Boom! He drives it there. You know, he protects himself there, and that's it. His fist is at this angle. Now it makes sense because when you hit the left hook to the head, your hand is there, your palm is facing down. That's the correct way to hit the left hook. So all Triple G is doing is just adjusting the angle. There, boom. And he has great success with the guys. So try the body shot. It's very effective. You know, if you've never been hit with a body shot, then you won't understand it and you won't respect it. And I've seen that with many boxers. They go for the head, they want to take your head off. But there's a saying that if you kill the body, the head goes down with it, guys. So try the left hook to the body and come back and let us know how you get on.